Greetings, beloved brothers and sisters. I would like you to consider what a gift reality is. It's not possible to know reality when you're identified with your body. All you can ever really know is interpretations that you make from nerve synapses that are either on or off. And for those particular impingements on your nervous system, you make interpretations and judgments. But you never really know reality when you're identified with the body. Imagine somebody placed a metal trash can over your head. And every morning, they started tapping with their fingers on the one side of the trash can and then move their way up to the top of the trash can and then move their fingers over and then move their fingers, tapping lightly on the bottom of the trash can. In a human body, if that happened with regularity, when the tapping began each morning, it's quite possible that you might say, "Here comes the sun." And that would be your experience of the sun rising in the sky and then setting later that evening, every day. But really, it would just be tapping. It would just be little nerves and the interpretations that you made of them. Here's the greatest gift. Reality could be anything. It could be just a neutral thing, but it isn't. The nature of reality is love itself, peace itself, joy, and creativity in its unpotentiated form. What a gift it is that what is real also feels so wonderful. It's the most wonderful thing in the world. It's love. It's who you are. It's what you're seeking. It's what you want. And it's what you've already got. If you make your life and your value love itself, love of nature, love of people, love of love itself, you'll come closer and closer to knowing reality while in this body. Love cuts through the illusion. It's the only thing that's real. If you let the ego determine your reality, the best you can come up with is justice, vengeance, protection. But it's always based on the notion that you're separate and there's something to be feared. When you seek and look for love in everything, you will find it. And when you do, safety and justice will fade into the background. They aren't necessary when you're in the experience of love. You don't need to keep score. You don't need to be right. You just need to be in the reality of who you really are. And that's love itself. It's a very, very precious gift. And it is its own reward. I'm with you because I am you, and because I love you, and because love is all there is. Make your life about love, and you'll cut through the illusion very quickly. I love you forever, and I'll speak with you again soon.